right, y'all, this is the clean brush project. I ran out of brush cleaner, so I had to create my own with some Dawn and some white vinegar. I can show you how I made that real quick. It's real simple. Warm water, Dawn dish detergent. Make sure you have Dawn and some white vinegar. And this is my little brush, little doodad that I use to clean my brushes. Now, I made a little liquid concoction like this. This contains this solution for my brushes. I have tons of brushes. And so what I do with the solution is I take a little cup like this, because I pour the solution in here. Take a little cup like that, because this is gonna get real messy, guys. It's gonna get real messy. I put it in there, just taking my brushes. Ooh, this is so nasty. And just using, and you can already see the difference. Look at the difference. God, I should be ashamed. This is just not right. And just kind of doing like that, and swirl on a paper towel. Already looking better. I can spend an afternoon cleaning my brushes. I just have so many. So basically that's what I'm gonna do for each of my brushes. I will change out the water ever so often when I see it's getting like really, really dirty. Like, look at that. It turns really, really dirty quick. That's why I just create a solution. See? Look at that. Ooh. I create the solution in a separate container and then pour it into the brush bowl cleaner. So this little ridges in this bowl helps with the brushes and getting it clean. I got this, I think, from like Marshalls or Ross, but you can find something like this anywhere. And it's like a little bowl, and it's flat. It's actually flat for storage, but you can create a little bowl to put the solution in, and then clean your brushes. Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx, anywhere like that. Yep. So this little process can get a little messy, so make sure you have a lot of paper towels around, cause yeah. And the ridges in the little bowl helps to clean the brushes. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just squeeze, making sure I do every. Clean brushes is essential for healthy skin, guys. So make sure you clean your brushes. It's very important. I then take all of my sponges, use the same solution, and I clean those as well. So yeah. And then once I'm done with the solution, I then rinse them off with cold water and let everything kind of air dry. Okay, all my brushes are now clean. Now I just kind of let them hang out on the counter like this over a paper towel, and I let them air dry along with my sponges. Yeah, I kind of have an obsession for brushes. Good tools, good people. It's essential. So, wash day for my brushes.